This is Victoria. She recently became a Mirinda business owner by earning $1,000 last month, and she is on fire. Well, not literally. But she is signing up new IPCs each day. Let's talk with her to find out more. Now, Victoria, I just have to ask you, what is your next goal with Mirinda?
I actually want to earn the TruPerformance bonus next month. I'm really close to hitting 1,000 ASQV4.
At this point, I bet you at home may be wondering what the TruPerformance bonus is. Let me quickly explain what it entails. The TruPerformance bonus is open to any IPC, regardless of title or time in the company. And it rewards IPCs who are actively going out and enrolling new IPCs or customers on AutoShip. In its simplest form, all you need to do to earn this bonus is 1. Become a Mirinda business owner by earning $1,000 in a month, and 2. Increase your ASQV4 to 1,000. That's it.
Excuse me. My friend Claudia here is new to Mirinda and doesn't understand what ASQV4 means.
ASQV4 stands for AutoShip Qualifying Volume, 4 generations down. It's the AutoShip volume of you and everyone underneath you down 4 generations. If someone below you is on 120 case AutoShip, they would count as 120 ASQV4. You know, Victoria, there might be some IPCs that already have 1,000 ASQV4. But don't worry, they can still qualify for the bonus. All they would need to do is increase their March 2013 ASQV4 by 35%.
That's great! But what happens when I reach that 1,000 ASQV4?
Well, once you qualify, you get a share of the TruPerformance bonus pool, which makes up a percentage of the company's global commissionable revenue. Now, don't think that you can only reach this bonus once. We want you to earn this bonus multiple times. Once you receive this bonus, your new ASQV4 will become your current benchmark. That means that you will need to increase it by 35%. And just like that, you'll qualify for the bonus again. We've created this bonus to reward those IPCs who have sustainable growth. We want you at home, yeah, you, the one who's watching, to be the next to earn this bonus. Remember, it's as easy as being a Mirinda business owner and increasing your ASQV4 to 1,000.
Well, that sounds easy enough.
If you have questions or want to determine your ASQV4 goal so you can earn the TruPerformance bonus, call the Mirinda customer support line or visit www.mirinda.eu.com. Please refer to the person who shared this video with you for full details on the Mirinda compensation plan.